Hello students, myself Sarabjit Kaur and welcome back in your English class. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, the elephants and the mice. In this story, this is a story about the elephants and the mice, how they became friends, how they cooperated, how they helped each other and became friends. Let's start. Long ago there was a city. On one side of the city was a lake. Only mice lived there. They had fun and lived happily. So it is a story about the elephants and the mice. On the one side of the city there was living mice only and they were living very happily. On the other side of the city there was a jungle and there living herd of the elephants. Herd of elephant means group of elephants. They were also living very happily. They were ruled by a wise king. They too lived very happily. One summer it did not rain. The elephants were very thirsty. They decided to go to the lake. As the elephants rushed through the city, they did not see the small mice. They crushed them under their big feet. Many mice died and many got hurt. One summer there was no rain, so that is why the elephants went towards the lakeside where the mice were living, and when they were passing through they died and they crushed many mice, the little mice, and many of them were died and many got hurt. Afterwards let us go and talk to the king of the elephants, maybe he can help, said the wise mouse. So when they got hurt, they decided to go to the king of the elephants to meet him for help. The three mice were sent to the elephant king. They bowed before him. One mice said, "Bowed means to bend head." So the mice went there for the help. "O king, we come from the city near the lake. While you and your friends were passing through our city, many of us were killed. Sir, will you be kind enough to choose another path next time?" So the mice suggested to the elephant that, "Can you take any other path for going to the lake for drinking water, because when you were passing from our way, many of us became hurt and many of us were died." The king was sorry to hear that so many mice had died. "It won't happen again," he promised. So by listening this thing, the king of the elephants became sad and he said sorry and he promised that it will not happen again. "Thank you, sir. We are small but we may be able to help you someday," said the mice. So then afterwards the mice also promised that one day they will also help in some way. After many days some trappers came to catch elephants. They dug pits and covered them with the branches. When the elephants passed over the pits, they fell into them. The trappers came and pulled them out and tied them to the trees. So many days after, some trappers means the person who catch animals. Trappers, person who catch elephants. They came and they decided to catch the elephants, but who can help over there? The mice can help them because they have the sharp teeth and they can cut the ropes. When the elephants passed the pits, they fell into the digs and the trappers caught them. Then they went away to tell their leaders. Then the elephants went to the leader for telling that they got a catch. The elephant's king remembered the mice. The king took king's message to the mice. Many elephants have been caught by trappers. Can you help us? Then the king of the elephants went to the mice that, "Please help us. We get caught by the trappers. Can you help us?" Then, "Of course we will help you," the mice said. Then mice said, "Definitely that we will help you." They came running to the where the elephants were tied up. They bit the thick ropes and cut them with their sharp teeth. Soon the elephants were free. Now the mice cut the ropes of that net which were used for trapping the elephants. They cut all the ropes and the elephants became free. Now in this way they became friends of each other. Moral of the story that no one is big and no one is smaller. We are created by different abilities. So we should recognize the ability of each other and we should help each other at any time. Thanks and have a nice day.